Nana ko tawag Grand Champion. People of Barangay Size, who will be our first ever Barangay Size Grand Champion. Contestant number. Congratulations, our Barangay Size Got Talent Grand Champion. Congratulations to contestant number. Pasalamatan ito barangay officials. Pakpakan na ito Cap Jake Arrow. Ato pinalanggang ang Kapitan Dres Barangay Size. Ilisan niyo si Cap Jake. Ilisan ninyo. Nako'y nanunggan ninyo na ko nung ilisan. Ilit ko nung ilisan. Okay. Alright. Again, our Barangay Size Got Talent Grand Champion. Congratulations, sir! Congratulations, sir! At mga Board of Judges, pakpakan sa nato mga Board of Judges, Mama Consciency, Kuya Ye, and Ma'am Ruby. Again, excited din siya ng Barangay Size. No? Kinsan juga, mananaw ka nawa. Alright, again, our Barangay Size Got Talent Grand Champion. Congratulations, sir! Contestant number 10, Harvest Extreme! And our first placer, Miss Jess Rosas. Congratulations. Picture na lang, picture.